Wow, this thing is pretty intense so far, honestly, and I'm only at level 2. Oh! Hey everyone, what's going on? Happy holidays to all you lovely people. And part of the holiday season is gifting and receiving gifts and giving gifts out to people. So in front of me, I've received gifts from various companies that sent stuff to my P.O. box, and these can serve as gifts that you can give out to your family members, loved ones as well. So let's get started unboxing a bunch of these gifts that I was sent and tell you why they would make great gifts for people in your family as well. And here I've got this little bag here. This is a board game for the game Whatever. So I'm vaguely familiar with this game, mainly because we did play it, I believe, one time on Just Kidding Party.
Today, we're gonna play the game of Whatever.
I didn't play it personally, but I did record that video. This is a party game for whenever the pandemic ends, because it's a party game of awkward situations and embarrassing confessions, which made it perfect for Just Kidding Party. I know it's kind of hard to do a party game right now because of the pandemic and everything, but they do, if I remember correctly, have a kind of quarantine edition, which is a little add-on pack that you can play with your friends online. So thank you to Ali and Britt for sending me this from Whatever. So now let's move on to this box over here. This is a Bonauk Ultimate Karaoke microphone. This is just a microphone for anybody who absolutely loves karaoke. Oh wow, it came with a carrying case. I did not expect that. Open this up, and we've got a really crazy blue microphone, which you can use to do a bunch of karaoke with. So it comes with a pop filter here, if I can even pick it up, if you want to protect the microphone instruments from getting damaged. I mean, you know what it looks like with pop filter on. I'm not even gonna put it on. Let's see, we've got user manual in there, an interesting cable here. Oh, two cables. This is a micro USB. Yeah, that's what it's called. A micro USB cable to 3.5 millimeter audio jack. Interesting. And then this one is a USB to USB, micro to USB-A. So it comes with that as well. Delicious silica gel, do not eat. But this is very interesting. It comes in a wide variety of colors. These are only a few of the colors. They've got black, orange, gold, red, blue, and purple. They have way more. They have like rose gold and pink. And interestingly enough, let's see how this thing actually works. So now that I got this thing paired up, it has a little Bluetooth thing and it connects to your phone. And there's a volume button here, so you can adjust the volume, but also the amount of echo that you got. And I guess there's music on here too, but I wonder if it'll...
It's like a magic mic.
Yeah, I guess. But let me...
Turn that echo up.
Yeah, give me a song. Wait, no, I can't because
Copyright.
Oh yeah, and in the back, she just got home, so my girlfriend Jennifer.
Hello.
So you can hear her voice, and maybe I'll pull her into the video. Now, does it play out of this? It plays out of this. I don't know if I can use this legally. Getting to look a lot like Christmas everywhere.
Every store.
I only know the first line, okay? But that's cool. Oh wait, there's also other buttons on here too, such as a play pause button, a forward button to choose the next song, and then a back button, and then there's a mode button. I think it's a great gift for somebody who loves oh wait, there's plastic on here too. There we go. And then on the bottom, there's also plastic. Oh, there is. Okay, so there's plastic on the bottom here. And then there's also one more layer of plastic down here. On the bottom, we've also got I guess it looks like a micro SD card, so you can insert your own music. We've got the headphone jack for if you want to use this headphone jack cable and I guess plug it into something else. I don't know how that one would work. And then with all the plastic on it, a charging cable to charge this thing. Luckily, it did come with almost full battery. This is the version that I chose, the blue one. Like I said, there's a bunch of different colors. I chose I like blue, but this is like the brightest, shiniest blue I've like ever seen. That's crazy. So I think this is a great gift for anybody in your family, especially us Asians who have the relatives who love singing karaoke at home. This is a great gift for them. Also, one of the cool things is, like I said, when you're controlling the music, it controls music natively. So you can control Spotify. It has a speaker and it has the volume level, so you can adjust how loud you speak and how much of an echo. Turn that off. So thank you again, Bonook, for sending me this. Okay, so this is actually Future Sean, who finished completely recording this entire video here, and I'm just gonna clip this into wherever I need to clip it into. But I've been using this thing for maybe about like 15 or 20 minutes after I finished shooting the video, and I gotta say that this is a fun little device. I've been bothering my girlfriend with singing into it for the past, I don't know, whenever I just picked this up and started singing into it. I gotta say, this is a fun little product and definitely goes higher up on my recommended list because I think it's cool to get for somebody who loves singing, or if you love annoying your family members with your singing. So definitely gotta say, if you want to mess around, pick up one of these and have fun. Next, we've got this box over here, which you get to help test on me. So this is an Alvon TENS massager. I don't know exactly how it works, but we're gonna figure that out right now together. So we open the box. I really need an overhead rig. I should just buy the overhead rig. Thanks for the Christmas gift, Quay. We have a little card here that says thank you. We've got the main device itself, which kind of looks like an iPhone. Then we have a little carrying bag for it. You don't know what to expect out of it. I don't know what this is, but we'll find out. And then we have the pads that you attach to yourself for the muscle massaging. And then a charging cable. Your face is so funny right now.
I'm concerned.
We'll figure this out together. And a bunch of cables to hook up I think the electrodes, they are called, or something like that. So this thing's got plastic on it, so of course I have to peel it. Here we go. It's like peeling a screen protector. This one here. Nice. And it's like a fingerprint magnet. I'm not gonna do actually, there's not that many. I'll do like 2 to start, all right? I'm gonna try it on my arm. So I'm gonna take off my Christmas sweater right now, or my holiday sweater. So now we're gonna put on the second one here. I'm just gonna do 2. I'm not gonna go crazy right now. There we go. I feel like I'm at the doctor's office.
Yes, exactly. You're gonna get an EKG on your arm.
Can you plug these in? Oh my god. I pressed up and it started tickling already. Oh, whew, that scared me. I did not anticipate that. It's okay to laugh at me.
I always laugh at you.
Okay, so immediately it starts at 0, and by pushing the plus button, it moves you up 1. So it tingles a little, but it is a really interesting muscle massager. I could see this going to, all right, I'm pressing, There's like, what, 10 levels? Wow, this thing is pretty intense so far, honestly, and I'm only at level 2. Oh! I'm not used to it, so I think that you have to take it in stages. Certainly, I am not the fit person. I don't know how to use massagers, but I could see this working for somebody who, my arm is still tingling. I think it's off. Oh, no, it was still on. Okay. It was still on. That's why my arm was tingling. But I could see this working for people who, you know, have back pain and stuff like that. You would gift this to them, and it would help them relieve soreness in their body on specific parts depending on wherever you stick these pads. So there's actually a bunch of different things that you can do with this, which are if you're having back pain, or if you're having shoulder pain, arm pain, or leg pain. And there's also a bench press icon and a running icon down here as well. This isn't a touchscreen, but you navigate it using these buttons. Being my first time using this, I haven't really read through the instruction manual. This is just a basic first impressions. So yeah, now I'm gonna just take these off because I don't wanna keep it on me too long. And thank goodness it does not pull up any hairs, because that would have been painful. And then reattach that back onto there so it keeps the stickiness. And there's also instructions on if you need to purchase more of these sticky pads in the packaging, or it's gonna be in the description box as well. So remove that, place it back onto here, power this down. So now we've got this, which is a Mushroom King Farm shiitake box. It is a big box. Inside, when you first receive it, you get a giant log with mushroom spawn on it. And basically, it's just fresh mushrooms for you to grow and eat. I do want to say thank you, Joe, and the Mushroom King Farm for sending me one of these. It's actually surprisingly easy to grow. All you need to do is, when you're not gonna use it yet, put it in the fridge for maybe a day or two, and then you can take it out of the fridge, basically submerge it in water for a couple hours, take it out, fill the trays at the bottom with water, and just basically spray it every day because you're growing mushrooms and they grow in humid environments. And after 5 days, you start getting fresh shiitake mushrooms. I've already eaten a couple and they were really good. We had it in an omelet, right? It's pretty good. But I mean, this is stupid easy to grow. Like, if I can grow this, anyone can. And I think it's a really cool gift for somebody who loves to cook, loves fresh ingredients, because literally nothing is going to be more fresh than growing your own mushrooms. So these are homegrown shiitake mushrooms. Big ones that are growing on the bottom here, which are hard to see, and then smaller ones which are up here. And then every so often you prune them, take some off and eat those ones, and then the other ones will grow bigger because there's less nutrients to go around. Or there's less nutrients that they have to share. Sorry, that's what I meant to say. And the last thing that I have is this big box over here, which is from, again, the fine folks over at Fi-Fine, who, this is the third time they've sent me something to check out. I will probably do a proper product review later on, but this is another one of their microphones that they sent me. Which one is this one? This is the K690. So let me open this up and show you what we've got inside. So slide this off. Their packaging has really gotten better since like the first one that they sent me. Way back when it was just like in a cardboard box, but now like this is just way better. Look, I didn't even, that red. I mean, I know it's not about like the packaging, but the packaging really helps. I'm gonna drop that. We've got a user guide. We've got a little thank you note here. Foam to help it in the shipping process. Okay, here's the microphone itself. Wow, this is hefty and heavy duty. And then we've got here, this, I'm going to assume that it's the cables because I'm pretty certain it is. And then here is a little screw that you can mount it, so you can mount it onto any microphone arm. So here's the cable, and it's a thick cable. And we've got a mini USB cable here to a USB type A, and it's metal, like aluminum here. And it says Fi-Fine on it. But most importantly, this is the Fi-Fine K690. It's very much like a Yeti competitor at this point. We've got a headphone audio level because I guess, yeah, at the bottom you can plug in your headphones to input your own audio or even just listen to your audio in game and whatnot. We have a mute audio button here, which is a nice tactile click. On the back here, we've got the gain levels. So from the lowest to the highest gain, and on the back there's 4 different polarity options. Bidirectional, omnidirectional, we've got cardioid, and we've got something else which I don't remember off the top of my head. But tactile clicks. This is all metal build. It does not come with a sort of shock mount or a pop filter, so you will need to purchase those yourself. This isn't a full review, this is just a first impressions of this. Again, thank you Fi-Fine for sending me this gift, and if you've seen any of my other Fi-Fine videos, they make really good products. And I will say that I am pretty happy with all the stuff that they've sent me so far. So this is a really nice gift for somebody who's looking to get into gaming or podcasting, because this does come with all the different settings, much like a Yeti microphone does. I will link it down in the description box below if you want to check out the price, if it updates or not. So these are items that I received as gifts from various different companies. I do want to say thank you again to all the companies: Fifine, Whatever, Alvon, Bonoak, and Mushroom King Farm, which is over there because it's way too large to fit in the frame. All the links to every one of these products will be down in the description box below if you guys are interested in picking some of these up and giving them to some of your loved ones in your life. And as usual, like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.